Yo, year 8, let's get straight into it. We're doing more of the algebra, more of the equations, but now two-step equations. So what that means is you can't get to the answer in a single step. It takes two steps to reach the answer. Now I'm just going to make everything a bit bigger here because it's a bit too small, I think, for people to see. We got here, but we'll just have to make do. Starting off with Pokemon, Charmander. Charmander is a small bipedal dinosaur-like Pokemon. Most of its body is colored orange, while its underbody is light yellow. Charmander, along with all of its evolved forms, has a flame that is constantly burning at the end of its tail. So in Pokemon, the Pokemon's evolve. There's more advanced versions of Charmander. The name slightly changes. So I've got some questions here, which I want you to have a go at. So in class, we'll pause the video. But just a bit of a hint, something on the left here, the opposite of plus is minus. Opposite of minus is plus. Opposite of times is divide. Opposite of divide is times. So we're going to use this because when this goes to the other side of the equation, when we get rid of that, when you take stuff to the other side, it becomes the opposite. So the Charmander height, we're going to run out of room, 90, take away 30. For here, the minus 1, when we take it to the other side, minus 1 becomes the opposite, plus 1. Oh, so the 7.5 plus the 1. So keep that in mind. Times becomes divide. Divide becomes times, etc., etc. So have a go at those, and I'll give you the answers. All right, answers. Each Charmander, 60 centimeters. The weight, 7.5 plus 1, 8.5. Times by 2. Then you got to divide by 2, 39. This one, divide by 4, opposite, times by 4, 52. 8 plus 18, you do the opposite, so it's take away 18, and you get 43. Times by 4, divide by 4, 65. So those are your answers for the height here. I'm going to scroll down at 3, 2, 1. So now, those are all one-step equations just there. Those are a warm-up. But now for two-step equations, you can't get to the answer in a single step. Well, that's not working, so I'll try this instead. There we go. We can't get to the answer because we want to find out what A is. So I'm going to take the 2 to the other side. 5A is 13 plus 2. So 5A is equal to 15. And then I'm going to take that A to the other side and divide. And A is equal to 15 divided by, jumping ahead to the answer, A is equal to 3. Why did I divide? Because 5A means 5 times A. So when I took it to the other side, it became the divide. Here, I'm going to get the plus 4 to the other side. Got to zoom in. I'll make this bigger, one of the two. It's way too small. Better? Hopefully that's better. So these are two-step equations. So for the first one, I take the 4 to the other side. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 7m is equal to 14. Then the 7, I take it to the other side, and it becomes divide. M is equal to 2. Last one there. Minus 4, take it to the other side, plus 4. 2W, 20. Then divide by 2. So W equal to 10. So it takes a few lines. I know a lot of people don't like how many lines it takes. But compared to English, you write entire pages. This is just, it's not that long. So you can always check your answer. Go back, 5 times 3 is 15. Take away 2, 13. We got that one right. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4, 18. Got that one right. You can use your calculator as well if you're not sure. So like for the third one, 2 times 10 was our answer. Take away 4. Whoop. 6. Ah, we got it right. Yeah, you got a 16. From there, I was thinking, thought we got it wrong. I'm going to scroll down. Right. So 3 more examples here. Same thing. Take it to the other side, do the opposite. There's a 23, becomes a minus 16. Then take the 2 to the other side, becomes divide. X equal to 8. Hey, let's check if we got it right. What is 7 plus 2 times 8? 23. We got it. Now here's a tricky one. This is getting a bit harder now. Example 2. I'm going to get rid of the 10. So it becomes 31. Take away 10. But now I got minus 3 here. So I'm going to have to divide by negative 3 when it comes to the other side. And if you're not sure about that, you can use your calculator. 21 divided by negative 7 would be minus 3. And then you can always check with the calculator. 10 take away 3 times minus 3. 19. And so on. So we get quicker at this over time. Take the 3 to the other side. Equal to 24. Now some of you may be thinking, do I really have to do all those steps? Can I skip some of them? For now, I want you to do all of the steps. It's good for you. It's good for you to do it that way. Okay, I'm just going to do a few more examples. Now with fractions. Does anything change? Nope. Take the 8 to the other side. 28. Take away 8. What we do need to understand is that fractions mean division. So in my calculator, if I had 6 over 2, what's 6 divided by 2? It's 3. So 6 over 2, 6 divided by 2, same thing. So when we're doing the opposite, what's the opposite of dividing? Timesing. So at the end, we have to times by 5 gives us 100. Here, take the 6 to the other side, minus becomes a plus. What's 5 plus 6? 11. Then it's divide by 3, so times by 3. Z equal to 33. Done. Same thing again here, but now with a minus sign. It's a positive 3 out the front. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus. Minus 24, minus 3. You can always use your calculator. This is why you need a calculator every lesson, just so you don't get the little things wrong. Now, the final step here, I'm actually going to take the minus to the other side as well there. This doesn't seem right. Well, it's going to be a big, oh, I just realized you can't even see. Oh dear, I zoomed in too much. There we go. Saved it. I took the 9 to the other side. I also took the minus there with it. You can do that in multiple steps. What? 243? Is that right? That's why we check it. So here's how we go. We go 3, take away, and then fraction 243 over 9. We want it to equal minus 24. Ta-da! We got it right. All right. and some more examples there to finish up. Now, these ones are a bit harder. We're not going to worry about them as much. We'll take a couple of lessons to learn this. So just do the best you can today. If there's not enough room on the sheet, you're going to have to write answers in your books. Now, notice this one was a bit strange because on the top line there was x plus 3, but no, still the same thing. Took the 4 to the other side, took the 3 to the other side. This one, minus h on 4. So you could do this in 2 steps. Take just the 4 to the other side, and then to finish it off, swap the minus sign over. Okay, I know. We can go into more detail on that another time. So we got a bunch of questions for you to do. We're just going to scroll through. They start off, lots of practice at the regular ones, then some fractions. Good, they've got some of those. And then that's plenty. So we'll stop there. I will give answers in class for these questions onwards. All right, stopping now.